Allah be upon you. After my greeting, before I immerse what I saw here, let me introduce you, or let me give you some interviews about myself. I am Amina Abraham Sino. I'm not poor name for the day, but Allah helps me. By the name Amisha. After that, before I don't want to prolong my introduction and greeting. Let me tell you all. Let me display what are the meaning that I stood here. The meaning that I stood here is not another thing. It's what you were waiting for a longer time to hear and to suggest what I want or what I can say. This is important for the students, even for you. What I stood here is to make you make out what's competition, and that we will start in place of competition. First, what is competition? Competition is a way you can display your education. If you get what the teacher give you, what the teacher gave you, did you get it or not? And it is not a lot of progress. It's only to increase the knowledge and to get a ability that you can increase, that you can display your theory about what you know and what you learned. That is where I left off of what is competition. Let me glance at the next continue. The next topic it will be Allah says what is required. What is required the person, the leaders and the competitors. When you are competitor, when you are required to have the ability that you can defend your team. I mean that you must read lessons every time, every day, because you are required to answer every question. And to try to read what is in your lesson. Because the teacher will ask you what you took only usual as I believe. And you must try to build new sentences and to build activities. Because if you know how to build sentences, you know English, but you want only new words. That's my theory. Let me come back the leader of every group or any group. When you are leader, you must have a big ability that you can defend your team. Because every student who starts here will look you and will say, is this the answer or not? You are required to say no or yes, because what the teacher used you is that. If you can't do that, you are weak. Then the another student is. Even if you are leader one, you must charge you must have ability, or you must make justice for your students. You must make them the same, and so on. If you don't make that, you can't become leader. Even if it is possible to become the leader of the country, as I believe. Now, how you you serve the people and how you can become a leader one. So I don't want to prolong my topic today. It's all from me to display that, and I'm going you to say or to take for my long time. So goodbye, good one. Thank you for your attention.